Top 10 Seiko watches. Seiko 5. Sa halagang 6.5 ay pwede mo nang makuha. Una ay ang SNKE 49K1. Second one is the SNKE 51K1 blue dial, deep blue. Automatic na po silang lahat. Then number 3 is the SNK 355K1 silver dial. Number 4 is the SNK L19K1 with the gray dial and gold R hands. And number 5 is the SNK 361K1 black dial. Lahat to ay open back case na po, 100% original, 1 year warranty. And the 6th one is the SNK 621K1 gray dial. The seventh one is the SNK 357K1. This is navy blue dial. And syempre meron tayong SNKK 09K1 white dial with gold tone na R marker nya. And lastly we have the SNK 623K1 black dial.